this, I decided to grab my James Charles palette and hit myself with it. Anyways, I'm gonna grab this shade and blend it along the outer corners coming in like that. And then I'm gonna take the Good Morning and just touch up any harsh edges that it might have caused. Going back in the Jawbreaker palette, I'm going to grab Cotton Candy and place it over my lid to add some shimmer. Now I'm not completely done with my eyes, but I'm going to go ahead and wipe away the bake anyways. And to contour, I'll be using this Morphe bronzer. Moving on to my eyebrows, I'm going to be using this black in this Ben Nye color wheel that I have. Only thing I gotta say about eyebrows is don't worry about messing up. You can use concealer to clean them up. And eyebrows are supposed to be sisters, not twins, so you're good. This is just a touch up. After I'm done with my eyebrows, I'm going in with the white from the color wheel and just adding a little bit of highlight. I'm lining my waterline first with that same black that I used on my eyebrows. And I'm taking bubblegum eyeshadow and going underneath my eyes. Now I'm going to start building up my eyeliner, and as you can see here, I made a little notch where it's going into like my crease. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's going to be blended out later anyways. Taking the white from the color wheel, I'm going to go on my inner corners real quick. Now this is my favorite part. I'm grabbing this black from the James Charles palette. As you can see, I am taking the notch that I made and I am just blending and blending. Lots of blending and lots of mascara. In Jeffree Star's nude collection, I'm taking the Androgyny and I'm applying that on my lips. I don't actually have any highlighter, but I use Ranch from Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star's Conspiracy palette, and it's awesome. As you can see, I have a tattoo on my face that I accidentally covered up. Using the Jeffree Star and Morphe setting spray, it smells amazing. Let that dry.